What's going on, everybody? Steve here, Raiken Profit, getting a workout right now. And I just thought of something I want to share with you guys that can really help you out, especially if you're a new reseller. One of the biggest mistakes that I made when I first started, and I noticed, a lot of new resellers do this, is they assume, right? They think they know what is valuable, just based on their own beliefs. I'll give you one example. You guys know that I sell a lot of media on Amazon, mostly books, board games, DVDs, CDs, and people are shocked when they learn that I'm selling thousands of dollars worth of books and thousands of dollars of DVDs. I mean, in just DVDs alone, we've done almost $15,000 just DVDs. And people are shocked. They're like, DVDs, those are outdated. Who consumes DVDs, right? You would be absolutely shocked. I keep saying it, it's shocking, but it's like when you first start reselling, you're like, I know what's worth money, right? It's all the Apple products. It's the high-end clothing, right? It's all the collectibles. And yes, those are valuable, but there's so many different pockets and niches and little tiny areas where people are just, super fans, right? Of these particular little things. And, the big thing that I want to get across in this video is you got to stop assuming. You've got to research every day. Spend time in the sold listings, of course. Watch YouTube videos, watch haul videos. When you go out to the thrift stores and the estate sales and the garage sales, look things up. I made a video about this the other day where I came across this little golf gadget. It's this little electronic item. It's called a Golf Buddy 2. And I looked at it, and the first thing I thought was, that looks like some cheap crap from China. And I just assumed, and I said, you know what? I was getting ready to walk away, and I was like, Steve, take your own advice, right? You're always telling people, don't assume, look things up. And I'm like, you know what? I'm going to just look that up. It was like 50 to 80 bucks used. I was absolutely shocked. That's the word today. I'm shocked. But this is the truth, right? When you start reselling, yeah, you're going to be an expert maybe in a couple little areas because you have some hobbies and passions, right? Everybody knows something about, one thing or another, right? Maybe you know a ton about dolls, right? Maybe you know stuff about birdhouses, right? There's so many random items. You could be an expert with computer stuff. But the more that you resell items and the more that you start to see things at thrift stores and garage sales and estate sales, and you're going to be, we might as well use the word again, you're going to be shocked when you look things up and you're like, that's worth 150 bucks? That's worth 80 bucks? Right? Yesterday, I went to a garage sale and I bought a huge box of Playboy magazines. They were from like 15% of them were in the 70s and then the rest were in the 80s. I got 5 complete years of Playboy magazines from 81 to 85. And then I got a whole bunch of other ones as well, because that's only 60. So then I had like 20 something other. If I put it all together, that's going to probably sell for a couple $100. Shocked. Who would have thought? Now there are some Playboy magazines and different things that sell for a lot if they're celebrities and whatnot, but I was shocked with that. Like I knew they had value, but I thought it was just like super rare ones. Yeah, if you complete a year, it's worth pretty good money, like 40 bucks for 12 of them. So you got to get in the habit of looking things up. You've got to stop assuming. It's great when you first start that you're passionate about a specific area, but the more that you grow, the more you look things up, you're going to be shocked. You're going to learn so much more, and just be curious, kind of be like a kid. You want to learn, you want to take notes, you want to look things up, because as your, career as a reseller develops, you're going to run into these different items multiple times. And I've kicked myself in the past for not looking up items and passing on things. And then like 2 years later, I'm like, whoa, those are worth money? Like, you dum-dum. But it's part of the process. So I just want to make this video for you guys. I got to get back to my workout. Smash that like button. If you want to learn more about what to buy and sell, spend time in the sold listings. Spend time looking things up at the thrift stores and the garage sales. Be curious, be a student of the game. If you want me to help you, check out the Reseller Sourcing Handbook. I'll put a link to that down below. Keep watching the videos, keep growing, keep learning, and much love. Bye.